So this is my analysis of my IBPS PO prelims attempt. So I attempted the exam yesterday. I had a third shift and means reporting at 1 p.m. So first of all, talking about quant, like I could attempt only 19 questions. There were questions on wrong number series, then quadratic, then pie chart, bar graph, and also arithmetic. So I could not even touch this arithmetic portion. Okay, so I am never able to touch it. So I cannot comment much on it. But some questions seemed very like easy, but my time management is doesn't allow me. So I could attempt, I think, four questions of bar graph. Like they were all easy, but a bit, little bit calculation was there, but they were easy. Then pie chart, I was, I think, able to attempt all the questions. Then same was the case with quadratic. I was able to attempt all the five questions, I suppose. And in wrong number series also, I left one or two, but rest I attempted. Okay, so like overall, my attempts were 19 over here. Then talking about English, in English, I could attempt 27 questions. So my accuracy is not very good, but the question seemed easy as compared to the practice mocks which I used to give. So the reading comprehension I attempted at the last, it was about a WHO COVID SARS-CoV virus. I was able to attempt read the entire thing, but a little bit like I was falling short of time, so I could attempt only, I suppose, two or three questions I could attempt, which were like easy ones or synonym antonym based. Okay, I could not attempt all in reading comprehension, because of which I could attempt 27 out of 30. Apart from that, in parajumble, it was a new pattern parajumble, where we had to arrange it in the some BAC CAB pattern. Okay, then there was this word swap thing was there, like two words were given and we had to like arrange. Then close test had six questions, so they were not like very difficult, but it will depend upon as to how many questions I have done correct out of 27. Actually, I need that because of my less reasoning and quant attempts. I need high accuracy in English. Error detection also, four questions were there, so I tried to, I think, attempt them. Then phrase replacement also I did. These were a bit on the easier side. Now talking about reasoning. So here, like I am really like faltering a bit. My attempts are really like very low. So first of all, there was no inequality this time. Okay, so inequality was not there. So this was a major thing. Like we are good at it. Then next was Chinese coding. So here I took a bit more time, I suppose. One of the Chinese coding I left, but rest all I attempted. But I think I took a bit time over here. Like I don't know. I know how to attempt this. I have seen the videos, but still I could not. I think fast time. I think I spent some more time over here. See, logs I was able to like do, but let's see as to if all are correct. But I tried to do it accurately. Then in miscellaneous sections I could not attempt. There was a pair formation like word and number, and one was miscellaneous meaningful word formation, but these I was not able to attempt at all. Okay, then talking about the puzzles and arrangement. So there was one question on this selection based, nine persons and three cities. But actually I'm not so used to like solving variable based and all. Like I'm not having that much confidence, and also time constraint was there. One was this post based. It was doable, but I was not left with the time. So then one was age based question, five or six people were there, and like age was there according to 2021 base year was there. So this was a pretty doable question. I did this, but yeah, I took some time, but I was able to do it. Okay. So then there was two puzzles on this uncertain arrangement. Only one I was able to do. That too at the last 1.5 minute. Luckily I was able. Otherwise my attempts would have been even lesser. So this I attempted. Like its answer was coming out to be 14 people were there. But there was another uncertain arrangement. This might also have been easier, like it was a short question, but I did not have time to attempt this. So my overall attempts were 60, but in reasoning I was able to do only 14. That means only two puzzles, only this age based and uncertain one. Okay, rest. At least I should try to attempt three puzzles to start with. Okay, at least I should touch 20 first of all. People are doing 25 plus. Okay, so I need to like practice a lot. See, logs I am comfortable, but yeah, with more practice, of course, the speed will increase further. Inequality was also, I actually there was no inequality, so otherwise I would have done better here also. Chinese coding took a bit of time. So this was my analysis of my attempt. So I'll try to prepare now. Means I did not prepare much, like in the last week I tried to give some mocks and all, but I'll try to prepare for the upcoming exam. Okay, so I have to work basically more on my reasoning first of all, because here there is a huge difference which is getting created. Okay, and so this was my short analysis of my attempts. So I'll keep on giving mocks and keeping you updated in this daily mock analysis, so as to keep a record as to how I am faring. So this is it for my side, from my side. Okay, so I am signing off. Like, okay, thank you.